This is Urban by Baldocer Cerámica, Spain, an interior matte-glazed ceramic wall tile collection that comes in 3 low-maintenance variants: Urban Taupe Smooth, Urban Ivory Smooth, and Tesla Urban Taupe 3D Décor Tile. Seen here in Urban Ivory Smooth, a shade that works wonders for home interiors across all styles and tastes, Urban is a tile collection that's guaranteed to remain extremely versatile and timelessly popular. Whether you're looking for a backdrop to showcase bold decor or merely prefer more subdued surroundings, use the eco-friendly velvety-smooth matte Urban Ivory tile on bathroom, bedroom and kitchen walls for a warm and neutral palette. This tile has a high shade variation and rectified edges for a super sleek transition with almost no visible joins. In contrast, the Urban Taupe 3D Décor Tile helps to create walls where elegant facets, designer textures and the interplay of light and shadow results in a unique and vibrant sculptural effect. Urban will add both simplicity and sophistication to any type of interior. It is a lesson in serenity as well as a tactile delight.